Welcome to the NFT Podcast, and that's a crazy day for the NFT world. And you can see probably here, yes, Gary Vaynerchuk has launched his NFT platform that calls VeeFriends, and that's really the way NFT projects should be. And let's dive immediately into the topic. So Gary Vaynerchuk, he is releasing something very useful for all the people that are going to believe in he and his career, investing their Ethereum. So there will be about 10,000 tokens, and this is how they're the video. We are going to read some of the stuff together today. 9,400 tokens are admission tokens. 155 tokens are gift tokens, and 300 tokens are access tokens. And what does it mean? First of all, he created an event, a huge conference that he called VeeCon, and for all the token holders there will be an access included, a special access for this event that we are going to see for the next 3 years, starting from 2022, once per year. It will be a huge event of several days in which we are going to see all the biggest entrepreneurs on earth, all the businessmen, all the speakers that he met during his 25 years career, that we have seen on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, and all the other social media in which we have followed Garyvee since the beginning. And so let's talk about these tokens that he's going to release now. First of all, we are going to see access tokens. What does it mean? They are divided in group access and one-to-one access. So for example, you unlock amazing features with this. For you have got FaceTime with Garyvee. You can have the possibility to go to garage sale with him for 1 day. You can have Garyvee as a guest for your podcast for 40 minutes. You can work out with Garyvee. You can be part of the team trim for some days, for some hours. You're going to stay with him and with part of the team Garyvee and learn from them. You're going to play poker to Garyvee, you're going to go fishing Garyvee, you can shadow him for 1 day, you can jam session him with 1 day, you can wine shopping with him. That's amazing. That's one-to-one access. And there are also group access. So group access in an experience where token holders can redeem their token to spend time with Gary and the other group access token holders. So you can also meet the other person of the community. That's awesome because he wants us to meet all the people that we can, that are around him. And you can have like breakfast for him, a brunch, a dinner, just a hangout. That's incredible. Then always between the access token, we are going to see the competition access, and it means that you can play bowling or basketball, or you can play a video game with Garyvee, you can play ping pong, you can play tennis. For me, the most amazing tokens that we're going to see between the access ones are the scholarship access, and there are going to be just 5 of them. And what do? Scholarship access is an experience where an applicant applies to become the token holder and has the opportunity to redeem mentoring and coaching from Garyvee personally, as well as his professional network. That's an incredible opportunity. It means that you can stay with Team Garyvee, and you can have maybe also opportunity to make an intern in VaynerMedia. Then we can pass to the GIF Goat tokens. He's probably going to have a giveaway of these tokens, and we are going to see in today and the next days. And then there are the admission tokens. Admission tokens are tokens that come with different levels of rarity and collectability. For example, there are 20 per core, there are 20 per limited, they are divided in rare, very rare, epic, spectacular. So that's the video, but we are not going to see it now. Just see the recap for the first 10 seconds, and then of course I'm going to leave you the link here on the description.
Welcome to VeeFriends.com. VeeFriends is an ambitious NFT project around characters that have traits that I believe in so much, that I want people to aspire to.
That's amazing, guys. Go see the video on YouTube. Let's meet VeeFriends, as I've shown you now. So the token organizations we are talking about as mission, GIF, and access, and here are all the different drawings that he made. He made them with his hand, one per one. And that's the effort that he wanted to dedicate to the community. So let's jump into Instagram, and here we are on the Instagram page of VeeFriends. It's got just 5,000 followers for the moment, and we are going to see some of these tokens. For example, garage sale here, there's just 1 total access token, one-to-one access. So as we said before, we are going to have just one-to-one access with Garyvee, go garage selling with Gary Vaynerchuk for 4 hours, and Costa in an episode of Trash Talks on YouTube channel, and we are going to be featured on the YouTube channel of Garyvee. That's amazing. Then there are different, when I hear this sorcerer scholarship, one of my favorite. It's an experience when an applicant applies to become the token holder and has the opportunity to redeem mentoring and coaching from Garyvee. And guys, we can see some of them. Podcast Panther. I would have loved to have like the money to buy this one, but I think that it's going to be one of the most expensive because it's an access token. But anyway, we are going to find a way to bring, as I wrote here, Garyvee and Chuck at the NFT podcast. So please, guys, help me bring Garyvee to this podcast anyway. And here we are, like with different drawings from Garyvee, Lunch Ladybug. We have got the Major Moth. Really, there have been a lot of fantasy here for the team. So guys, I'm going to link them in the description. Of course, you're going to see which one of them. Everyone has got a different meaning. And let's go for a second the Gary Vaynerchuk profile here on Twitter. Today, this morning at 7:30 a.m. ES time, he was live on CNBC. And let's jump in VeeCon. What's VeeCon? As I mentioned before, it's the conference he's going to build for VeeFriends and token holders. Let's see something about this together.
This is an unreal level of access to you for people who buy these NFTs.
Yeah, I mean, wait till you see what I'm gonna do at the conference. This is gonna be the best conference of all time. Welcome to VeeCon. VeeCon is a yearly event that is tied in directly to VeeFriends, the NFT project that I launched in May of 2021. Every VeeFriend token is a ticket to a multi-day event that is going to rival some of the greatest conferences in the world around entrepreneurship, marketing, ideas, creativity, competition.
That's amazing, guys. Please go check this video on YouTube. And so what's the price of these tokens today? It's very high for a lot of people, and I really hope that we can go to afford this one, and we are going to buy them together. It's 3 Ethereum, and at the moment it's about $9,000, but it's with a method that is Dutch auction, in the sense that as the price starts at 3 Ethereum, and then I don't know how much, I don't know if every minutes, every 10 minutes, every hour, it's going to decrease until touching the floor. This is 0.5 Ethereum. So if you can afford it, just decide if you want to participate in the career and to be part of this VeeCon event to redeem one of the special features that Garyvee is bringing inside these NFTs. That's a powerful day for the NFT community. That's a huge marketing lesson for anyone. That's a huge business lesson for anyone. And once again, Garyvee, the man, he's made this all for us. So thank you, Gary. Thank you guys for listening, and see you soon.